Mr. Amol.
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Mokkal Amol Prasad. I am from Nasik in the state of Maharashtra. I am a graduate in mechanical engineering from Savitribai Phule Pune University. I did job for near about 4.5 years from different organizations. My area of interest include fitness, then Vipassana meditation and swimming. Sir, this is my second CAP Assistant Commandant interview, and I am looking for joining the uniform forces.
Mukul.
Yes, sir.
Who was Savitribai Phule?
Sir, Savitribai Phule was a pioneer in women's education in Maharashtra. She was first women teacher also in Maharashtra. She did a educational job along with her husband Mahatma Phule for educating women, for empowering women also, and for upliftment of Dalits and untouchable also.
And which force you opted first?
Sir, my first option is CISF.
Why?
Sir, it is a diversified force, multiple job opportunities there. Second thing is it is all India forces. And sir, my work experience and in line with my area of interest, so I was suitable for it. And I have watched CISF working in a CNP Nasik and ISP Nasik with full of dedication. They are doing their work. So my bias towards CISF as a first option.
You belong to Nasik.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
something about Nasik.
Sir, Nasik is historically one of the cultural city of India. It is known for Kumbh Mela, held here once in a 12 year. Nasik has significance in terms of agriculture. Nasik is famous for exporting onion and grape also. Asia's #1 market for onion located in Nasik itself. Nasik is again said to become second defense innovative hub as per the government policy after Coimbatore. And Nasik has number of defense institution also, like HAL Artillery Center is also located in Nasik. And
Your interest are Vipassana, meditation,
yes, sir.
and swimming. What is the difference between Vipassana and meditation?
Sir, basically meditation, Vipassana is also type of meditation. Meditation is a broad concept through which we can get Vipassana meditation. It is one of the type. And in meditation there are different types like mindful meditation, moment meditation, and one meditation like in which we call mantra. So in Vipassana meditation particularly, it is a type of mindful meditation where one has to observe the thing as it is in nature, and one has to focus on bodily sensation, and one has to keep oneself calm and relax.
And other your hobby is swimming.
Yes, sir.
How many types of swimming are there?
Sir, there are 4 to 5 types of swimming, like freestyle swimming, backstroke, then butterfly, side stroke also.
Can you tell me about the Michael Phelps?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Michael Phelps.
Yes, sir. He is one of the prominent swimmer hailing from USA. He is the most decorated Olympian in a planet Earth, sir. With near about 28 medal he won in 4 different Olympics.
And can you tell me about the Cobra Battalion?
Oh, yes, sir. Sir, it is one of the wing of the CRPF, specially designed for tackling the problem of Naxalism in India, and it is established in 2008, sir.
And what is the similarity between Cobras and NSG?
Sir, there is one similarity between Cobra and NSG, that NSG and Cobra both handling the terror-like situation, because NSG is designed to tackle the terrorist attack or terror-like situation, and this Cobra battalion also handle the terror, but the terror in terms of Naxal, but in terms of NSG, terror in terms of external aggression or any kind of other terrors.
Have you read the newspaper today?
Yes, sir. Only highlight I have read today.
What are the main headlines?
Main headlines was sir, PM Modi given one statement that Pakistan exposed their involvement in Pulwama attack. Means their federal minister, that Fawad Chowdhury, given the statement, and PM Modi spoke upon that.
Suppose as we saw that their cabinet minister accepted that they have conducted the Pulwama attack,
Yes, sir.
and he said this in his own parliament. So
Yeah.
we attack on Pakistan?
No, sir, but we can use this statement or whatever exports given by this their minister. We can put some pressure on the international level on Pakistan, and there is it should be our strategy only. Because we should not directly attack on the Pakistan. We can do it or we can handle it at the diplomatic level, sir.
Okay. And what is the Financial Action Task Force?
Financial Action Task Force, it is FATF, is that as it called in short form. It is the global organization for controlling the terror financing and money laundering. And recently it was in news, sir, because it put Pakistan in a grey list because of its activity involving in the money laundering.
Amol.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Amol?
Sir, Amol is a Marathi word. In Marathi language, Amol means invaluable, means something which has more value and which value cannot be counted.
So your value can't be counted.
It is in the meaning only, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Amol, tell me why I should select you as an officer.
Sir, you can select me because I have a number of qualities. Like, first of all, I am the best, as I think. Second thing is my area of interest and my work experience can be better helpful for organization also. And third thing is I have hobbies like health and meditation, so I can control the force in a very efficient and effective manners, as well as I can go for stress management also, because there is a recent problem in forces that soldiers are doing suicides, so I can handle such kind of things also, as per my opinion, sir.
Why the Sirdi is known?
Sirdi, okay. Sir, Sirdi is one of the religious place in Maharashtra, known for all over the India for means for Sai Baba. He is considered as one of the secular god, because people or devotee from all the religions come to Sai Baba, and he has given a wonderful message. Like, he has given that Allah Malik means, and Sabka Malik Ek Hai. Shraddha and Saburi means you should have patience, and you should be cool, like that. So he is considered as one of the secular god in India.
But there are so many controversies also.
Yes, sir. Sir, recently Sai Baba was in controversy because of its origin. In Maharashtra itself, there was one place, Pathri. The people from the Pathri demanding that the Sai Baba was belonging to Pathri only. But it is under the investigation, and after investigation we can say more upon that, sir.
Your last preference is BSF.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, I have given my preferences in line with my area of interest and my work experience. Accordingly, BSF comes last. But even if I get a last option also, I am ready to work with the same atheism also. And there is not such a last option for me, because for last option also I will ready to work and serve my country, sir.
Is CAPF a police force?
Oh yes, sir. It is Central Armed Police Force.
No, what I'm asking.
Uh-huh.
Is CAPF a police force?
Yes, sir. It's assisting the police for maintaining the law and order.
How it is police force?
Because the work of the police is to maintain the law and order, and the main mandate of the CAPF is to assist the police in terms of maintaining this law and order. And CAPF gets its mandate from Article 355, where it states that it is the duty of center to protect the state in terms of any external or internal threats. So it comes,
But
it
that
got
is
the
coming
power.
but that is coming under the central government, while the police forces, law and order is the state
Yes, sir.
subject.
Yes, sir. But it is for protecting the police only, for maintaining the law and order. And second thing is for cooperation, because there are state jurisdiction only up to the state only, but CAPF jurisdiction for all over the India.
Does Maharashtra also have any kind of problem, which is basically a threat to the internal security of the country?
Sir, in Maharashtra, the major threat for internal security of the country in the eastern region of Maharashtra, there are two districts, sir, in Gadchiroli and Chandrapur. They comes under the most Naxalite affected area, and recently, there is also government force called C60 working in this area to tackle the Naxalite problem in Maharashtra, and as per the report, it find to be successful in this area also.
So, do we have any special central armed police forces deployed in the districts of Gadchiroli, Gondia, adjoining districts?
Oh yes, sir. CRPF deployed over there.
Yes. Which one battalion?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I don't have idea on that.
Okay. What might be the problem behind this problem in your state?
Okay. So, sir, there are many problems. There is breeding ground for Naxal in Gadchiroli and Chandrapur. Naxal develop where there is a lack of education, illiteracy, poverty, unemployment, and these Naxalite target this area, and they also target government force, and they don't allow government agency to develop, and that is why this Gadchiroli is most affected by Naxalite. Again, second thing is it is one of the dense forest area also there, so it is difficult to tackle the problem over there. Yes, sir.
So what you have been doing since 2013?
Sir, since 2013, I was doing job for 4.5 years. Then I left my job thereafter, and since 2017, I am preparing for UPSC for uniform services, sir.
Since then,
Yes, sir. Since 2017, and this is my second attempt, sir, for CAPF assistant commander.
tell me some active militant group in our country.
Active militant group. Okay, sir. Militant group are basically located in Jammu and Kashmir. There Hizbul Mujahideen is also there, and LET is there, sir. As of now, I am able to recall these two. Then some trace of ISIS is there, but they are not located in India, but some traces are there, sir.
What is the dispute between India and Nepal?
Sir, a recent dispute between India and Nepal over the Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limpua-Dura location. There was a treaty during the British era called Sagula Treaty in 1816, according to which the western part were treated as Indian part and eastern part were treated as Nepal's part. But because of the origin of Kali River, the dispute is happening, and against this dispute come into limelight because of recently Nepal changed its map, and it's shown the area of Indian territory into their territory.
Okay. Where is IPL going on?
Sir, recently IPL is going on in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes.
Only.
In UAE, in 3 or 4 different cities. I am not familiar with that, sir. It is in Dubai or in Sharjah.
How you see the Aditya powers in Maharashtra?
Okay. So, sir, Aditya Thackeray is one of the youngest MLA in Maharashtra. He is environment minister also there. He is taking bold decision also in terms of as far as environment and youth is concerned. But as of today, it is very early to say that how is he is working, because it is his first term, and it takes a certain time to mature.
his decisions.
Yes, sir.
So, do you think that his appointment is right?
As per my opinion, sir, if as an youth, it is right decision because we should promote the youth. But as per the means as he is son of the politician or the CM, then I would rather say that for youth we can promote other youth also. So in this nepotism, I am against this. But as per the youth, I am supporting. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Through your belt.